Hey, hi, hello, welcome back at another video of Soaring Commerce classes. My name is Sadiq M, lecturer in commerce. In this video, I'm going to be discussing second PUC preparatory exam January 2025. Dear student, I'm going to be discussing one of the previous year preparatory question paper from Udupi District, and it is very important for your preparatory examination and annual examination. So who are not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel. If you guys are going to be subscribing my channel means I will give much more useful information through my channel to you guys. Okay, so please do subscribe and please do share my channel with your friends. So without wasting any time, I'm going to be discussing the last year's 2025 January Udupi District question paper. Okay, second PUC preparatory exam January 2025, subject economics 22. So timings will be 3 hour for 80 marks. So the exam has been conducted 17/1/2025. Write the question number in the margin. Answer to the question should be continuous. Only the first written answers will be considered for evaluation. Okay, in the part A. Next, look at here, part A. First line, choose the correct answer. 5 questions, 5 marks. One question carries 1 mark. 5 ones are 5. So the first question what we will having here is a vertical demand curve represent perfectly elasticity, perfectly inelasticity, unitary elasticity, more elasticity. So the answer will be perfectly inelasticity. Next, second question, find the total cost where TFC is 100 and TVC is 225. So option A is 25, option B 125, option C 175, next option D 225. So the answer will be 225. Next, the product in a perfectly competitive market are heterogeneous, homogeneous, luxury, necessary. So the answer will be homogeneous product. The first question what we will having is consumption which is independent of is induced consumption, autonomous consumption, wasteful consumption, initial consumption. Answer will be autonomous consumption. Next, which of the following is an example for paper tax? Income tax, excise tax, wealth tax, custom duty. So the answer will be wealth tax. Next, fill in the blanks. So the fill in the blanks again, five questions, 1 mark, 5 ones are 5. So the answer for the fill in the blanks will be given above here in the bracket. Free riders, inventory, RBI, invisible hand, government, private sector. So the first fill in the blanks is in a centrally planned economy, all decisions are made by government. It is assumed that in a perfect competition market and dash is at play, invisible. Dash is a stock variable, inventory. Next, Dash is the only institution which can issue the currency notes in India, RBI. Non-paying users of public goods are known as. So, answer will be free riders. Next, third main, again, match the following. Each question carries 1 mark, 5 ones are 5. Complementary goods. So, what is the answer? Pen and ink. SMC. So where is the answer for the SMC? Cut. So the SMC, what is the answer for the SMC? TC divided by Q. Domestic service. So what is the domestic service answer? Non-monetary exchange. Repurchase agreement, repo. Floating exchange rate. Flexible exchange rate. Okay. Next, what we will having is one word questions. Answer the following question in one word. 5 ones are 5. Each question carries 1 mark. Give an example for market economy. Next, give the meaning of marginal utility. Next, what is equilibrium price? Who are economic agents? Write the meaning of full employment level of income. So these are all the 5 questions which they are going to be asking for the which has been asked for the examination in previous year. Okay, so again here also 5 questions, 1 mark. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Each question carries 1 mark. So now look at here, what we observed means in the part here there is no option for you guys. 20 questions, 20 marks. So next what we will having is part B. So answer any 6 of the following questions. Each question carries 2 marks. 6 twos are 12. Okay, so there will be 10 questions. You need to answer for 6 questions. So first question what we will having is state the law of demand. Next, state the types of returns to scale. Give the meaning of shutdown point. Distinguish between excess demand and excess supply. How wage rate is determined in a labor market. What are the four factors of production? Mention their rewards. Next, what do you mean by externality? Mention its types. What are the two components of consumption function? Next, mention any two direct, indirect tax of central government. What are the types of balance of trade? So here, in this, you need to answer for how many questions? 6 questions. Okay. Next, answer any 5 questions in 12 sentences each. 5 fours are 20. Here the 4 marks questions will be 9 questions. You need to answer for how many questions? 5 questions. So the first questions what is having is what are the central problems of an economy? Next, list out the difference between normal goods and inferior goods. Next, explain the features of perfect competition. After that, the following table shows the total revenue and total cost schedule of a competitive firm. Calculate profit at each level. Determine the market price of a good. Next, what is price ceiling? Explain with the help of diagram. Next, explain the working of economy of a capitalist economy. Next, briefly explain the functions of RBI. If they have given like a problem, C is equals to 50 plus 0.8y and I is equals to 200 is the information given about the closed economy. Calculate the equilibrium level of income. Suppose investment increased by 250, find out the new equilibrium income. Next, write the current account component chart of balance payment. Okay, here they have given like 10 questions. You need to answer, 9 questions. You need to answer for how many questions? You need to answer for 5 questions. Okay, next, what we will having is part D, seventh main. Answer any for 3 of the following question. Uh, each question carries 12 marks, 6 marks. Okay, in 20 sentences, 3 6 are 18. So first question is illustrate the indifference map, indifference curve with the diagrams. Next, a firm SMC schedule is shown in the following table. TFC is 100 and find TVC, TC, AVC, SAC schedule of the firm. They have given like Q and SMC. Q 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, SMC nil 500, 300, 200, 300, 500, 800. We need to calculate like TVC, TC, AVC and SAC schedule of a firm. Next, explain the macroeconomics identities. Write the story of Goldsmith Law's law. Process of deposit, loan, credit creation of commercial banks. Explain the classification of receipts in government budget. Okay, so these are all the questions for the 6 marks. Next, what we will having is party. Answer any 2 of the project oriented questions. 2 5s are 10. The first question what they have been asked is a consumer wants to consume 2 goods. The price of good X is rupees 30 and the price of good Y is rupees 50. The consumer income is rupees 30. So sub question A, how much of good X can she consume if she spend her entire income on that good? Now how many good Y she consumes if she spend entire income on that good? Next, is the slope of budget line downward or upward? Next, are the bundles on the budget line are equal to consumer income or not? If you want to have a more of X means you need to give up Y. Is it true? Next, 42. Find out the missing values in the following table. Production levels, total production, intermediate, value added they have given. Wheat, flour, bread, retail shop they have given like 500 after intermediate 0 and so the answer will be 500 plus 0 that is 500. Next, flour. They have given nil. 500 plus 300 that is 800. Bread 1100 minus 300 that is comes to 800. Next, retail shop 1100 plus 200 1300. Remember, for the bread only you need to minus. Okay, so you need to find the gross value added. Next, what we will having is name the currencies of any 5 countries in the following: USA, UK, Germany, Japan, China, Argentina, UAE, Bangladesh, Russia. And you need to write any 5 nations currency. Okay, if you guys are going to be preparing for these questions means definitely it will helpful for you guys to prepare for examination and annual examination. So who are not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel. If you guys are going to be subscribing the channel means it will bring some more energy to make more and more video. I wish to make much more videos on the second PUC economics, especially economics. Please watch next videos which I am going to be uploading to you guys. Thank you very much.